Hi beautiful people, what's up, what's up, how you guys doing, fam? I hope you guys are doing fine. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to my channel. Awake, wake up guys, wake up. Oh yeah, I'm coming up today with another tutorial video on how to make money online by using some easy side hustle. This side hustle are genuine. With this side hustle, it is possible for you guys to generate massive income. Believe me, if you take this tutorial video serious, trust me, your life will never be the same again. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to give a thumbs up if you like the tutorial video, and also to hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you won't miss. So guys, we'll get down to the tutorial video after my intro. Okay guys, welcome back again. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to my channel Awake. So guys, make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning to the end. Don't miss any part of it so that you will get better knowledge on how to generate massive income using this side hustle. So guys, let's get down to the tutorial video. Okay guys, let's get down to the side hustle. The first side hustle is Facebook career. So open your Google account and type Facebook career, and you come to a page like this one. Then click on the first link. When you click on the first link, it will take you here. Then you get here, you click on location. Then you come down, you scroll down to learn more about remote work opportunities. There you click. Then it will bring you to this page. Then here you have to click this link below. Let us know more about, let us know you are interested. You click there, you fill in your information, you submit to them. Then the second side hustle is Amazon jobs. So let's get down. Here is Amazon job. Go to your Google account and type Amazon jobs. Then click on the first link. It will take you to this page. Then you scroll down. You scroll down. Come here. You scroll down. You come here. You will find jobs category. Job categories. You click on that. Then it will bring you inside here. Here you find different type of jobs. You can choose whatever job you think or you know you are capable of doing. They have different type of jobs. You can see marketing here, medical and health safety, different type of jobs, operation, IT and support engineering, different type of jobs. If you click on any of these, like, let me show you something again. When you click on any of those jobs, you will see scroll down. When you scroll down, you will find a very common job known as work from home. You can also do this if you know how to do it. there are different type of jobs. If you click on work from home, it will bring you here. You see there's a job already. The third site is Amazon affiliate. So you see, get down to your Google, type amazon.com, then it will bring you to this page. Click on the first link that said Amazon online shopping store. You click on that link, it will bring you to this page. You see you have many things to sell. Then you come down, scroll down, then you click on this link that said Amazon become an affiliate. When you click on that link, you will get to another page where you will fill your information, then become an affiliate. They will give you links. They will tell you what to do on how to market all this good you see here. All these things, they will give you links on how to market them, and you will make yourself better income. All these things. Okay guys, you have come to the end of the tutorial video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Awake. I believe, I know you guys have learned something new today on how to use some simple side hustle, generate massive income. Trust me, if you take this tutorial video serious, your life will never be the same again. Keep watching Awake for your entertainment. Stay safe and keep distance. Corona is still out there. Yeah.